हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज भी एक ब्लॉग स्टाइल में वीकली ब्लॉग होने वाला है एंड इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट हाउ आई कैम बैक टू माय यूजुअल रूटीन। जो क्रिएटिव स्पेस है उस पर मैं कैसे वापस आती हूँ, लाइक टेकिंग ए लॉन्ग वे। होली सेलिब्रेशन के लिए मैं गई थी अपने पापा के घर एंड वहाँ पे मैंने 1-2 दिन बिताए थे। नॉट मी, इट्स लाइक आई डू प्रोक्रेस्टिनेट व्हेन आई केम बैक फ्रॉम समवेयर। मुझे लगता है कि अरे मुझे और रुक जाना चाहिए था एंड थोड़ा सा लॉन्गर ब्रेक लेना चाहिए था एंड बट मैं उसको कैसे ओवरकम करती हूँ वही मैं आप लोगों को इस वीडियो में बताने वाली हूँ। हाउ आई केम बैक टू माई क्रिएटिव एनर्जी अगेन, हाउ आई केम बैक टू माई यूजुअल रूटीन। सो आई होप यू गाइज एन्जॉय दिस वीडियो एंड थोड़ा सा आप लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगा। I'm a creative person. I do a lot of handmade thing, creating my small business product, creating something knitted crochet item or painting. So I do have a lot of painting projects when I left and my home for a celebration. So first thing first, I get back to the smallest thing that I have to done. So I start with the granny square that I need to finished for a project. So I start with that. So starting simple, starting somewhere is very important when you are trying to get back to your energy, creative energy. So first thing first, I get all the granny square done and now I need to block them. So my first step for getting your creative energy is to start from the smallest project or task that you have in your hand. So once you complete them you can feel so accomplished and आपको ऐसा लगेगा कि yeah, I did something, I get something done. So checklist से एक तो कम हो जाएगा, then you can go with the flow and do rest of your project. आप कुछ भी take on कर सकते हो and that is easier how I get back to my routine because it's kindly kind of easy to go with the flow when you pick up something really easy doing from your one of your project that you are currently doing. So that's how I start or I get back to my creative energy. That's how I like let myself like flow. And if you are married, household chores are not gonna ending. So with that in hand and in mind, you have to get something done. I do find time for listening to stories. I let myself rest a little bit more so I can get that energy back for like I let my mind to think like for my mind clarity. I do let myself to do my favorite things that relax my mind and my body, and that's how help me to get back to that energy again. One of the important thing getting back to your routine or creative space is to making to-do list for yourself, the task you have and the task you always do, like your workout routine that you follow and the time you eat or you sleep. Stick to that thing. You might like feel overwhelmed at this point because जब सेलिब्रेशन करने के लिए या कहीं पे भी हम जाते हैं ना, वी like break all the rules that we made for ourselves. We do not sleep on time, we do not have our meals on time. So getting back to that regularity, the routine you have to push yourself a little harder to take like have your meals on time, stick to a bedtime as soon as you get back home. If you are feeling too lazy to take on any of your pending projects, start something new. I started to make this blue whale that I'm doing amigurumi. So taking new project is also gonna push your creative energy to yourself. Can you see my dry, greasy hair? It's all about the gulal that everyone puts on the holi. So pampering yourself, doing little self-care also helps you to get back to your routine way quickly. This is one of my favorite. I do skincare, I do read. If you're into reading, then read something fun. Read the book you are reading currently. That will help you, surely help you to get back to your routine, your energy again. This is me again taking on a new project this week after coming back, and I'm fully get back to my I did get back to my routine, and I did get back to my creative energy. So I am now in my creative space. As you can see, I'm taking a new project on my hand, and I'm gonna turn this beautiful fabric into a piece of art and then a piece of wearable clothes. So that's all for this video. If this is helpful, then do let me know in the comment कौन सा tips आपके लिए helpful रहा and how you get back to your routine. Bye.